A major part of dealing with the changes that ladies experience after multiple pregnancies is the breast changes. And you can, just by listening to patients and watching their hand motions, you can get a pretty good idea of what they're dealing with sight unseen. Now we do an examination, a full examination, but most of the time after I've listened to a patient describe what it is that she's dealing with, I can tell that she's had stretching of her breast skin. She's gotten larger with pregnancy and with breastfeeding. And after those are behind her and she's lost a lot of her weight, she's lost a lot of the fatty tissue. Fatty tissue composes a lot of the volume of a normal breast, especially as a lady gets older. So as you lose that fat, the breast starts to droop. You add a little bit of volume to the breast, it starts to be lifted some. The problem is that some people take that principle too far. They think, you add a little volume, get a little lift, let's add a lot of volume. You don't get a lot of lift, you get just a big droopy breast. So the real wisdom here to me is knowing how much volume to add back to that breast. At the same time, you must shrink, reduce the skin envelope, the skin brassiere, if you will, of the breast to get that optimal augmentation and lift. So it's called a augmentation with lift, or a mastopexy with implants. We do them very commonly in this group of ladies that are in for a mommy makeover. But I just had a great patient here recently, very educated, actually works in the medical field, so we were able to explain things on a different level with her, and she just had a mastopexy with implants. She had a full tummy tuck done. She had some liposuction of her lower back to improve that curve to the lower back. And she was about a week out, and she was doing super, and we were just seeing her in follow-up, and she said that her 10-year-old son had kind of just stumbled into the bathroom while she was doing some changes, and he saw her in her sports bra and her panties, and he said, Mom, you look like a woman. And she said, well, what did I used to look like? And he said, you used to look like an old woman. So we all got a pretty good laugh out of that. I think if anything, that may be the goal of mommy makeovers, is that you just feel like you look like a woman again. So leave it up to a 10-year-old to sum it up.